Lesson 1. Understanding compiler and interpreter. Computer programming is the act of composing the selected programming language elements in the order that will cause the desired effect. That effect could be different in every if a specific case. It's up to the programmer imagination, knowledge, and experience. There are two different ways of transforming a program from a high-level programming language into machine language. Compilation. Compilation is two-step process and source code is first translated into a intermediate code or directly into machine code by a compiler. The compiler analyzes the entire source code and generates an executable file. The output of compilation is typically standalone executable file or another form of code that can be executed independently of the original source code. The compiled program is executed directly by the computer's hardware without needing the original source code. Compilation happens before the program is run. The entire code is translated in advance. Compiled programs often have faster execution time because the translation process is done ahead of time, and the resulting code is optimized for the target machine. Example, C++, Rust, and Fortran are examples of language that use compilation. Interpretation process. Interpretation is a one-step process that source code is read and executed line by line by an interpreter at runtime. There is no intermediate executable file generated. The code the code is executed on the file output. The output of interpretation is the immediate result of execution. The source code, there is no separate executable file. The interpreter reads the source code, parses it, and executes it immediately. It doesn't not produce a separate executable file. Interpreted programs may have slower execution time compared to compiled program because the code is translated and executed line by line. Example, Python, JavaScript, Ruby, and PHP are examples of language that use interpretation. At the advance of compilation, compiled code generally runs faster than interpreted code because it is translated into machine code or an intermediate form optimized for the target platform. Compilation catches syntax error and some semantic errors before the programs is run. This can be lead to more robust software by detecting issue early in the development process. Compiled program can be distribute a machine code by the code, making them platform independent. This is especially true for language like Java, where bytecode can be executed on any platform with a compatible virtual machine. Compilation introduces an additional step in the development cycles, which can slow down the coding and testing process. Developers need to wait for the compilation process to complete before running testing their code. This is the disadvantage of compilation. Compilation code may be platform dependent, especially if it's compiled to machine code. This can lead to challenge when trying to run the same compiled program for different architectures or operating system. Debugging compiled code can be more challenging than debugging interpreted code. The mapping between the compiled code and the original source code might not be straightforward, making it harder to identify the source of bug. Advantage of interpretation. In- Interpreted language often have a shorter development cycle as there is no separate compilation step. Developers can write, test, and debugging code more quickly. Since interpreted language are not compiled to machine code, that same source code can often be run or on different platforms as long as there is an interpreter available for each platform. Interpretation allows for interactive development, especially in language with readable print loop environments. Developer can execute code snippet on the fly and see immediately result. Disadvantage of interpretation. Interpreted code tends to run slower than compile code since it executed line by line by interpreter rather than being optimized in advance. To run interpreted code, the target machine must have the appropriate interpreter installed. This dependency can complicate the distribution and deployment of application. Since the original source code is often distributed with interpreted program, it is more accessible to user. This can raise concern about code protection and intellectual property. Lesson 2: Introduction to Python Programming. What is Python? Python was created by Guido van Rossum, a Dutch program. The development of Python began in the late 1980s, and the first official release, Python 0.90.0, was released in February 1991. Guido van Rossum started the project as a hobby and named it after the British comedy group Monty Python, as he enjoyed their work and wanted a name that was short, unique, and slightly mysterious. Guido van Rossum continued to lead the development of Python and play a central role in its evolution as the language gained popularity. Over the years, Python has undergone several major releases, with Python 2 and Python 3 being the most significant version. Python 3, the latest major release introduction, improvement can change to the language, and it is the recommended version for new projects. Guido van Rossum received as the benevolent dictator for life in the Python community until July 2018, when he stepped down from the role, signaling a shift in governance despite stepping back from day-to-day involvement. Guido, Guido van Rossum remains an influential figure in the Python community. The language development is now overseen by the Python Steering Council and the Python enhancement process, ensuring a collaborate and community-driven approach. What is the goal of Python? The goal of the Python, as outlined by its creator Guido van Rossum and the Python community, is to be programming language that is Python is designed to be easy to read and write. Its syntax emphasizes readability and reduce the cost of program maintenance. The use of indentation for block structure contributes to the language simplicity. Python aims to allow developers to express concepts and fewer lines of code than might be possible in other language. The language encouraged a clean and elegant coding style. Python, Python support multiple program paradigm included procedural object-oriented and functional programming. Its versatility allows developers to choose the best approach for given tasks. Python has strong emphasis on community involvement and collaboration. The Python community plays significant role in shaping the language development through discussion, contribution, and the Python enhancement proposal process. Python is open source, meaning that its source code freely available for any use, modify, and distribute. This openness promote collaboration and allows the community to contribute to the language growth. Thank you.